You try to slow down part of your video. You clicked speed curve and saw upgrade to pro. Yeah, they took it. But you can still get a smooth slow motion without paying a dime. Here is the free workaround. First, drag your video into the timeline. Move the playhead to where you want your slow motion to start. Click the split icon right above the timeline. Now do it again at the end section of where you want your slow-mo to stop. You have just isolated the moment that you want to slow down. Now click the middle clip, which you want to slow down, and go to speed. You will see standard and curve, but curved is locked and is for only pro users, so we'll have to use standard. But have no fear, it's possible and it still works. Drag the speed slider to 0.70. You can drag it more if you want an extra slow-mo or more slow-mo, but I'm okay with 0.70. Now let's watch the clip. Adjust this. As you can see, the clip slows down instantly, but we are still going to make some minor tweaks. To hide the jump, drag the edges of the slow clip so it overlaps before and after on the clips below, just by 1 frame. Now select the slow clip and go to volume under the audio panel. Turn on fade in at the start and fade out at the end. This softens the audio pop when the speed changes. We're going to test again. See our end product. As you can see, overlap plus fade equals a smooth look, and it is all 100% free. If you're okay with your end product, click the export button. Keep it 1080p in MP4 format, and yes, no watermark. You've slowed down a part of your video without pro, without curve, and without stress. It's not perfect, but 98% of your viewers won't notice. If this saved you from upgrading, smash that like button because it helps more creators find this, and subscribe because next week I'm going to be showing you more tips using only free tools. See you in the next one.